Hey everyone, my name's Kyle. I'm with Torklift International. We are here at SEMA 2025 and I'm so excited to show you a brand new product line, tailored lift from Torklift. Now, what you see here in the booth, this is actually a 2025 Chevy Silverado EV. Now, lift gates on the back of pickup trucks are not new, but lift gates on the back of a Chevy Silverado 2025 is never been done before, so you are looking at one of one. Now, the Chevy Silverado platform introduced a few challenges to the liftgate installation. And so shout out to Ryan with McKinstry for being just in the front lines, figuring out these problems and not taking no for an answer. And that's how he found his way over to Torklift. And so number one, when we looked at this vehicle, you can see that the body extends all the way dang near to the rear wheels. And traditional legacy lift gates are installed with a bumper removal. You remove the hitch, there's some welding involved. What Torklift did was made 100% bolt-on installation. So you get to keep the bumper of your vehicle. And this is perfect for leases or multi-purpose trucks. If you need to take this lift off in an hour or so and swap it over to another truck, you can. And so not only do you get to keep the bumper on, not only is it a bolt-on installation, you get an extra 1.5 feet of usable bed space. And if you're putting a lift gate on a pickup truck, you need all the cargo space you can. So it takes a 6-foot bed and turns it into a 7.5-foot bed, which is fantastic for commercial, private use, right? We also included a trailer hitch receiver here so you can tow behind your lift gate. You can't always do that with your legacy installs. The other great thing about this is Torklift is made in Washington State. We are 100% American made. That's from raw material to boxed product. So we ship these things all over the country, internationally as well. So how you use it, it's, if you've never seen a lift gate before, it's pretty simple. And it's fully separated from the EV battery system. So there's no concerns about any interference here, completely isolated. Torklift chose a Maxon lift. Maxon makes great product. We highly recommend their brand. And there's gonna be many more product lines coming from Torklift from the commercial section. So if you have any questions, you want more information, visit torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132. Thank you so much for watching.